Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Plato app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to take you to your profile here. So then all you have to do next, you just click in this sign. We just click on it here, sorry, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then you swipe like this, you will find here hats and frames here. Just click on it. Then you come to this list, click here on shop for heads and frames here. Then you come to this list, then here can you select it like this. You click here on pay. Then here you select price and coins here. Just click on it. Then you just switch into open video like this, and here add your credit or debit card here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.